This 136-acre irrigated Severance Farm has great access off of Highway 392 just east of Windsor, Colorado. It is excellent ground with good soils and good water and is in the growth area for the City of Severance. The farm is irrigated by pivot and the land is level to gently rolling and has been farmed by an excellent local farmer for several years. There is a good homestead located on the northwest corner of the property with a nice home and some outbuildings. This property has excellent potential for development, or it could be broken into 35-plus acre tracts. It has excellent long-range views and is just 4 miles east of the great town of Windsor, Colorado. The farm has good water rights that operate the farmland and produce excellent yields. Nearby Windsor, Colorado is a beautiful small town located just 1 hour north of Denver, Colorado. It is strategically located in between the towns of Greeley, Fort Collins, and Loveland. Northern Colorado is a thriving area, and Windsor in particular is slated for rapid growth over the next several years. Area attractions include the Denver sports teams, Rocky Mountain National Park, and endless amounts of recreation in the mountains with skiing, hunting, fishing, and much more. This farm is a great buy and hold investment and/or a great development tract. Location off of State Highway 392 and County Road 27 allows for many uses in this booming area. Please call Dax Hayden at 303-619-6774 for a private tour today.